But the void under here, like most voids, are just full of rubble. Trying to get mortar in and keep it in. Similarly blocked up the fireplace area. I seem to be going from one problem to another, so depressing.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The glass so